vers les cieux, venez on vit. Venez on respire, venez on les emmerde, on monte nos propres Nesby. Venez on rit, venez on s'aime, venez on prie, venez on rêve, venez on pille, venez on règne, venez on nique tout.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Good. It's shitty weather.
Beautiful weather, isn't it?
Beautiful, right? Are you ready for the training today?
I am.
Yes,
Definitely
let's
am.
do it.
It's wonderful weather, right? Well, I have seen your last video where you did the one. I'm not the badass kind who can hold on. Yeah, one.
It's the one.
Cool.
Yeah, it's cool,
I like to
right?
have this around.
Yeah.
Ina.
Have you ever tried this one?
Some people
Yeah.
needs, and it works.
Normally like an hour I'm gonna be running out of that energy.
Yeah.
But like it could be like an hour and 30 minutes or something. Yeah. That's pretty good though. I'll let you try something that calisthenics that I'm doing in the video, like you know, crazy thing.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna smash my face.
Slowly go down and up. Probably like a wider. This kind of. See from here, and I'm gonna spin this.
Yeah.
Ooh, you see?
Looks so hard. You bend?
No, this way, not this way.
Damn, I feel like suddenly I don't have muscle core.
Also from here, you're gonna open them up.
Yeah.
Close it. Oh, you get there. Get it. Get it. Oh. Whoa. できた。Yeah. Yeah. Oh. すごい。
頑張ってください。
頑張ります。
Come on. あれあれあーあれあれ
Two more.
あれ Come on come on come on. You got this あれ Push 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 Yes あれ one more Come on come on come on come on
I got it. できたー。
いや
おー。You ready?
Yes.
Oh! Yeah! I got it! Yeah! We got it, right?
Yes.
Totally we got it!
Yes, I was fully stressed.
Right?
You were. I felt you.
Yeah! Yeah, I felt you!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Oh! よかったんじゃない今の It was good, right?
It was great.
Okay, check it.
That's the right one. That's the right one.
Yes. Oh! That was the one! That was the one though! That was the best one, right? Boom! Right? We made it!
Get some lunch? Yeah, let's go.
食べましょう。
Yes!
うまい。
Avocado roll? Avocado roll?
Yeah, avocado roll. So it's gonna be the big day for you.
Well, it's a big day of projects to make it happen to the world.
Big dream.
Yeah, big dreams. Dream big.
So thank you very much for today's
Yeah.
training.
It was so fun though. Like, so we're gonna do it again.
ありがとうございまし
ありが
た。
とうございました。
またね
So, see you again soon. Very soon. Yeah.
ああやってお互いをインスパイアしながら高め合いながらね、これからもアクトルブログ頑張っていきたいと思います。今から YouTube 撮影します。
イエーイ YouTube 撮影します。面白いスタジオだね。ずっと驚いてればいい。みたいな。やばいみたいな。
サムネイルだからさ。
あ、サムネイル戻ってるな。何回も撮るんでしょ。とりあえず
基本一発撮りで。
はい、オッケー。はい。
ちょっと待ってね。止まったのよ、ちょっとだけ。
止まった。
首グリッターだ。
そうです。ここ多分やり方いくつかありまして、
はいうまそう。一層のやる気を出してパワー全開で頑張っていきます。よっしゃ。それではね、皆さんね、ちょっと先輩に電話していきたいと思います。ああ、もしもしお疲れ様です。いや、Vlog 見ましたよ。大会のやばいっすね。
見てくれた。
やばい。いや、おめでとうございます。マジで。
本当。
いや、マジすごいわ。本当にやっぱすごいっすね。もう尊敬しかない、マジで。
嬉しいわ。
いや、でもこのままだったらマジまた背中見えなくなると思ったんで、ちょっと僕も頑張ります。
いやー、見えるよ多分。
見えるよ、多分。
やっぱ筋肉系の伸びじゃないから。
あ、そうなんだ。
先輩って言ってくれてんだけどさ、いつの間にやっぱ抜かれてるの。いや、ちょっと嫌だもんね。
じゃあ2人で頑張りましょう。刺激もらったんで頑張れそうです。お疲れ様ですのご報告にご連絡させていただきました。
いや、ありがとう。嬉しいわ。そうやってもらえるの。
なんていい先輩なんだ。違うな。むずっ。
So alive, make it last